Well, good morning, everybody. This is Herbie with my Nomadic dream, and it was windier than heck last night. Yeah, so I don't know what type of video it will be today, but it might be in the day of a life of a nomad on a windy day. The wind is knocking over my campsite. There we go. Yeah, it's not the best, but it should do. There's hope. She's not blowing away. She's a chunky dog. See all the trees blowing around. I'm waiting for the sandstorms to start.
Content.
Yep. So, I've been getting a lot of questions about how old Hope is. She's 16 years old. When I got her about 2.5 years ago from my mom, after she passed away, she had a lot of rotting teeth, so I had to take her to the vet, and she had to have 7 teeth removed. So there's no hard dog food, no hard treats, none of that stuff. She's a very picky eater too. Like, she's always been. She eats left to right and certain shapes. But you know, obviously with soft dog food, this is what I usually get her. And she absolutely loves that. It's actually like $3 cheaper on Amazon than it is at like Walmart or Meijer if you're back east or whatever. But yeah, that's what she eats because she's missing 7 teeth. And she probably eats like probably a whole one of these maybe every day. She's a hungry girl. But she drinks water like it's going out of style. Like she's probably a dogfish, to be honest. Come here, Hope. Let's say hi to the camera. All right, she can't talk long because she wants me to go give her some food. But there's Miss Hoper Dopers. It's like she's trying to bite me, but then she just yawns. Hopus. All right, let's get you some food. So today's just gonna be one of those regular nomad days, but I gotta fix these holy pants because even that's a little too holy to go to church. So I'm gonna get out my handy dandy sewing kit. Maybe I might still have a, yes, I still got enough on that last time when I made that windsock. So just gonna do that. Makes a nice knot. Put this in my mouth carefully. I'm just gonna stitch it. I'm gonna go to the end of it and I'm gonna do a couple wraps there so that the tear doesn't spread. Okay, and do a cinch. Pinch it and pull it. Done. Done, done, done. There might be a little bit more for another. Let's see how it looks. I was like, where is it? It's right there. You guys see that? Just you know, it just pinched it down a little bit. Oh, I'm gonna spread it, pull it apart a little bit so that it's more, you know, there we go. That's it right there. That's what the inside looks like. Right there. And the outside. I'm gonna call these my Frankenstein pants. So those are good. When it's a windy day, that means that it's time to do dishes. But I need to go outside and add some water to my tank so that I can take myself a shower. Water in. You gotta be careful for it not to blow over. Spill over. got the dishes all cleaned. This spout is way too high. Every time I rinse, it gets wet everywhere. But I even swept the floor, so that's nice and clean. But now, since I'm all polished up, don't look over there. I just got done editing a video. So now I'm going to go to the store. I am back in the Herbie Mobile with Bob. We're going to run to town, do some errands, because filming inside the camper kind of sucks. It's like, oh, look at this wall. Look at that wall. Look at this. Look at that. look, I did dishes. You know, it's kind of boring. So we're going to go to town. I had to get some paper plates. Probably check out the discount grocery store again. That's a real nice store. There's some cilantro rice stuff that they had there the other day. So I'm hoping that they still got it, because that is really good. And then I can chop up some like Polish sausage, fry it, and toss it in there. It's delicious. But I'm going to give you guys some webcam or dash cam footage. And I'm going to put my face down here or over here somewhere. I don't know. All right, we're going to do a quick circle in the desert because one of my Nomad friends just messaged me. So I might have to move Bob out of the way so that he can join in on the ride. So yeah, it's going to be an interesting video because I normally don't include people in them. So you are going to get what you get today, but I'll at least give you some dash cam footage. Well, Bob, I'm sorry, pal, but you got to go in the back, okay? I know, it sucks. I know, with your cranky bones and all, just get back there. Go. There we go. There we go. Ooh, that's my resume. I need to keep that nice and safe. Put that there. Put that up there. Put this up there. Put this in there. Put this back here. Now I need to put the water jugs in the way back. All right. There's the room for a Nomad. Okay. Bob's in the back laying down. Now we're going to leave camp again and go pick up the fellow Nomad. And then we are gonna go to town. Dun dun dun. Holy crap. This is the first time that I'm driving into the camp. The very first camp. Because I'm the other camp. I'm like the redheaded stepchild of camps. There he is. Time to pick him up. All right, I will catch you guys on the flip side. We just went through a sandstorm there. Woo! Flags are flying. It's windier than heck. Oh, it looks like Bob's baby mama found herself a new man. Can you believe this? The audacity just to be posted up in town like that. Wow. Sorry, Bob. So many choices. So many selections. So yes, I did just get back, but now I'm going back to Roadrunner so I can get my sausages. But yeah, discount grocery still had the rice stuff that I was looking for, which is excellent. I met another subscriber. Her name is Michelle. She got a couple stickers, so that was really cool. So once she moves camp, I'll probably swing by there one of these days on my bike and say, hey, how's it going? This time I don't have ice cream in the truck, so I can actually chit chat. Back on Main Street, crazy drivers. Roadrunner, beep beep, beep beep. I don't like coyotes because they like little dogs like mine, so I'm shopping at the Roadrunner. I hope they got what I am looking for. They do look to be a lot busier than what they have been in the past. There's so many more people. Make up your mind, buddy. Not that difficult. I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna back up. Back her on up. All right. We are here. We are at the Roadrunner Market. We are leaving the Roadrunner. Beep beep. Beep beep. I hope I can get out this way. Oh yeah. Squeezing through tight spaces. My favorite. Oh, I should go. Okay, we are going back to camp. Because I want to get back. I'm hungry. So I'm probably going to have some ice cream. Screw real food. You know, that's the best thing about being an adult. You can have dessert for dinner or lunch. And no one's going to say nothing about it. We do have hitchhikers. He's trying to go to Yuma. I have not been to Yuma yet. Well, I did. Gave me some little smoked weenies. Not the same kind that's at the Magic Circle, but these are barbecue smoked weenies. $1.23, which is, I think, is a fair price. Especially for the Roadrunner. I was like, okay. A little bit more than Vienna sausages, but I'll give it a shot. Alright, we're gonna pop this open. Whoa. You're gonna be turning into La Posa South. Yeah, those are good. Those are delicious. Oh yeah. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. Yeah, these are a nicely zesty flavor. Yep. I'm gonna try one more, and then when I get back, I'm gonna toss these suckers in a nuker, the microwave, and see if they're better warm. Need a paper towel. Ugh. All right. We're just gonna wave at people that I don't know. It's like a small town. Just wave. Oh, I could do like a parade, you know? Yeah. I gotta do boring Nomad stuff when I get back after I eat. I gotta go empty one of my tanks. Bob, you really need to learn how to do all of the stuff I don't want to do. Dumping the tanks, doing all that crappy crap. Would you like that, buddy? Oh, I forgot, Bob. I saw your baby mama up near Discount Groceries tent. It looked like she was hanging out with another guy. I think his name is Howard. I told her that that's really wrong, that she'll show her face in this town again after what she did to you. And I seen one of your offspring at the laundromat yesterday as well, hanging on the back of a van. So it looks like she gave the baby skeleton up for adoption, buddy. I'm sorry. Now he's sad. Poor Bob. Poor Bob. Alright. As you can see, I'm back in my camper, safe and sound from the wind. But this is my lunch, along with my warmed up barbecue weenies. So, with that being said, this is going to be the end of the windy day video. So, hopefully you guys find some enjoyment out of it. If not, that's okay. There's always the next one. Alright guys, enjoy your life. Be safe. Later. Let's see if Bob was not invited to the wedding. That's unfortunate for him.